So I'm packing it up. Oh, put this straight. Let me come closer. So, is this all? Okay. And then screw it counterclockwise and then lift it up. And it turns. That's it. Very easy to use. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Bambas channel. I'm Rosemary, and if you're new to this channel, you're welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, and if you're a return subscriber, thank you for coming. All right, today I'll be reviewing this 10 inches LED ring light, because sometimes I actually make some videos outside, but then it's super loud and noisy. But because I don't have, you know, the the ring lights, this is basically my first one. This is what it looks like. So this one is a little different. It's a different type. I didn't want to go with the normal one that has a tripod and all that stuff. So I wanted to try this because if it's what it looks like, then that would be nice. It will be easy to, because I don't have time. Sometimes when we're filming with the kids, it's like you're coordinating this person, you're coordinating that person. You just want to do and get it over with. So no time to set this up. So no time to set up anything else, because I have the tripod that I'm filming with, and I can have another tripod for the light, but it depends on if I like this. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Oh, it's kind of big. So this is the MAI appearance, receive life light support, like turns 180 degrees, containable, folding, and desktop, 180 flip flop. I'll just write the details down there. This video is not sponsored, so I'm gonna be very honest with what I like and what I don't like. This is what it looks like. So yeah, about 10 inches, I think. And it also has the phone holder on it. So what is this? Let's see. I don't know what these buttons are for now. I can't wait to find out. This looks like on button and minus button, probably something to reduce the light. This is probably to change it, and this is probably plus, like maybe to add it up. I don't know, but this is what it looks like. So I'll go ahead and set it up. Yeah, I needed something like this, just easy to go. This is the shortest. This is the shortest it could be. Let me put it so you see. That's the shortest side. And then let's see. It keeps coming. Okay. How do you? Oh, okay. So you basically just pull it off. But it keeps falling forward. Let's see. So you definitely have some settings. I'll come towards the back. Oh, okay. This lifts up and then it can do this. But when you push this down like so, then you can turn it to hold it. So let me support this. Push it down, and then turn it. See, it doesn't go down. But when you bring it up, when you turn it and bring it up, then you can fold this. So push it down, and turn it. And turn it. One thing we learn. So is this the highest size? This is not gonna do me any good. I thought it would be taller than I am. Oh, my bad. This is probably supposed to like 60 something inches or something. All right, now this is good. I prefer it like this. Let's see if I can just move this down here. This is how tall we are. And there is the base. So when you're ready to put it back, just screw down, I think. Just push it down. I don't push all the way because I haven't really, oh, I forgot you have to do this part. Okay, so let's try. Let's plug it up. So I just plugged it up. Let's see what it does. So I was right. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Let's get a closer view. This is what it looks like. So with the buttons, when I press, this is the on button, it's off, and then it's on. And this is to reduce the light, is to add. And the middle button with the kind of circle in it changes the color. Let's see how many colors it has. 1, 2, 3. This is actually cute. So okay, this is the phone holder. The phone holder. So I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna put the phone up here and make sure this thing is really working good, because I'm kind of liking it. This is from head to bottom. All right, see you. So this is what it looks like with the, I don't know which color this is. This is like white plus brown. I'm gonna change it and let's see what. And this is the warm color. I won't say warm color, but I want to say the orange color, orange kind of color. All right, I'm gonna try. And this is my tripod here, and the phone is on. The light thingy. That's the second light. Oh, this is the white light. The white light. So this is number 3. Any more colors? So it's basically just 1, 2, 3. I like. Then you can reduce it. Then you can hide. So, all right. That is really nice. So I'm gonna shrink it all the way down and let's see. So taller than I am. This is how many inches? This is 168 centimeters. And I can't think straight to convert it to inches. So I'm backing it up. So put this straight. Let me go closer. So. Is this all? Okay. And then, so it also has a it has a knob here which you can use and, you know, turn it if you want, turn it if you want. And I think you can also place it to use it as a reading lamp. So I think this is cool. Oh, I forgot to do the thing. I kept trying to bend it. So lift it up. No, screw it counterclockwise and then lift it up. And it turns. That's it. Very easy to use. It's nice. Thank you for watching. Please, if this video was helpful, I'd like you to like it, share it, comment, ask me questions about this part, because, you know, I bought it for, how much did I buy this thing? God, I don't remember, but I'll look at it. So I bought it online on Amazon though. So if you like it, if you like the video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.